Hello everyone, I am Lisa Maida and I am working as a nursing tutor in Knowledge Institute of Nursing. So today we are going to see Introduction Community Health Nursing. So community health definition. Community health refers to the healthy status of the member of the community to solve the problems affecting their health and to the totality of healthcare provided for the community. So, what is community health? It is the healthy status of the population or the members of the population. How they can get the health? Through solve their problems affecting their health. So what we are doing? We are solving the problems which can be affect their health, and we are providing the total care to the community. Then community health nursing. So definition is community health nursing is the synthesis of nursing practice and public health practice applied in promoting and preserving the health of population. The nature of this practice is general and comprehensive. It is not limited to a particular age or a diagnostic group. It is a continuous and not episodic. The dominant responsibility is to the population as a whole. So, the definition is given by the American Nurses Association. So, what the definition says? It is a synthesis, means mixing of a nursing practice and public health practice. And we are applying this in promoting and preserving the health of population. And the nature of the practice is general and comprehensive, means we are providing the general care as well as the comprehensive care, and it is not limited to a particular age group as well as the diagnostic group, and it is a continuous process, and we are focusing the whole population in the community health nursing. Then philosophy of CHN. So philosophy of individuals' right of being healthy, philosophy of working together under a competent leader for the common good, philosophy that people in the community have the potential for continual development and are capable of dealing with their own problems if educated and helped, and philosophy of socialism. Aims of CHN. So, the aim of community health nursing practice is to promote health and efficiency. So, what is the aim of CHN? To promote the health and efficiency, and to prevent and control the disease and disabilities. So, we are preventing and controlling the communicable as well as the non communicable diseases and disabilities, to prolong life by providing need based, well balanced, comprehensive healthcare services to community at large through organized community effort. So, we are including the community people in the organization of the health services, and by that what we can do, we can make prolonged life by providing need based care. Then objectives of community health. So provide antenatal, maternity and postnatal care to ensure safe pregnancy, delivery and puerperium for the mother and child. Then provide under 5 clinics for immunization, developmental assessment, advice on nutrition and child care, treatment of minor ailments, and providing encouragement and support to the mothers. So for mothers, what we are doing, we are providing antenatal, maternity, postnatal, and care and ensure the safe pregnancy as well as delivery in the puerperium period. And for the children, we are providing under 5 clinics. In under 5 clinics, we are providing immunization, developmental assessment, advice on nutrition and child care, treatment of minor ailments, providing encouragement and support to the mothers. Then provide clinics for treating adults and children for minor ailments, referral of major illness, health education, provide facilities for family planning, teach the correct use of common medicines and drugs and the dangers of buying medicines at the chemist and market. So for the adults, what we can do, we can provide the treatment of the minor elements as well as the referral service for the major illness. Then we can provide the health education regarding various subjects as well as provide the facilities of our family planning. We can provide the education regarding family planning services, and we can also teach them the correct use of medicines as well as the precautions which they have to take, as well as the dangers of buying medicines and directly to the chemist or the market. Then explain and promote the use of local health services in the community, advising people to seek health care from safe qualified health personnel. So we can explain that people should have take care from the local health services and from the qualified health personnels. Then promote projects in the community that will improve life for the people there. Example, women's cooperatives, literacy programs, provision of safe water. Then we can teach and demonstrate the healthy ways of living to them. Then we can assist in the prevention and control of communicable diseases. Then we have to visit the people in their own homes and village, and what we can do by that, we can identify the health needs as well as priorities, and we can deal with that. And we have to promote the health of school children. How we can promote the health of school children? Through the health services. And we can promote the health of workers, which is also called as occupational health. Then we have to maintain and promote the health of elderly and handicapped. And we have to work in close cooperation with government and other local organizations to promote health and welfare of individual families and communities. Then principles of CHN. So there are various principles that we have to maintain. So community health nursing services should be planned according to the need of the community. So we have to plan according to the need. Community health nurse should be qualified either as a diploma or graduate or postgraduate in nursing. So, the community health nurse should be qualified as diploma nurse, graduate nurse, or postgraduate, means she should have MSc degree. Then, community health nurse should not accept any gift or bribes from the patient and their relatives. Then, she should follow the policy of the agency where she is working. Then CHN should not belong to any political group. There should be proper facilities on job conditions. Then CHN should function or serve as an important member of health team. She is very important member of health team. CHN should maintain professional relationship with the leaders of the community, as well as CHN should follow ethics while working in the community. So we have to follow the ethics while working in the community as well as in the hospitals. Then CHN should keep continuous contact with the individual, family and community. Then CHN should organize a periodic in-service education program. So home we can provide the in-service education program to the other staff nurses, then Anganwadi workers, then ASHA workers. So we have to organize in-service education programs. Then what we can do other? We can supervise and guide to the other healthcare providers. Why? For the high quality of work. Then health services are available and acceptable to all people without any discrimination. Without any discrimination, we have to provide the health services. Then CHN should create an awareness among community through education to promote the health of the community. So what we can do, we can create the awareness among community through health education. CHN assists the family or community in making decision related to health. We can also assist the family and community for the decision making. Then CHN should maintain the proper records and reports. Which are the work we have done? We have to maintain the record and reports. So hope you have all have understood. So thank you everyone.